Can you find the tornado as this sequence first begins? The same thunderstorm which produced the two alfalfa tornadoes also produced this monstrous mile-wide tornado. Looking northeast from about 5 miles away, we see a huge wall cloud above the developing tornado. The tornado at this time was visible as a large debris cloud. A final very short clip shows the Binger tornado, again looking northwest from a similar distance. At this time, the large tornado has more of a condensation cloud appearance. This tornado produced devastating F4 damage on the Fujita scale. At the very end of the film, another dust whirl tornado, that is a gust front tornado or gustnado, is visible immediately south of the F4 tornado.